Hi everyone. So in today's session, it's going to be about Apache NiFi templates. Templates are a really cool way to export your NiFi flow to other computers, to your friends or colleagues. It's also a really good way to try other people's flow onto your Apache NiFi to learn better how NiFi works. So you will find the templates into the top right corner of your screen and then the templates menu. As you can see, because this is a fresh installation of Apache NiFi, we currently have 0 templates. So the first thing we'll do is that we'll go online, find some templates, and import them. So it's pretty easy. You open a new tab on your web browser and you type it Apache NiFi templates. The first link is great. Example that I found templates, they come from the Apache NiFi website on their Confluence wiki, so we can just use that. And here we go. So we have a bunch of templates here. It's actually a long page, and you can get going. Read the template, get the description. They really show you each of these templates show you a part of NiFi that could be quite interesting to learn. We're going to use a very simple one right now. We're going to use CSV to JSON.xml because I think that's a pretty applicable one in any case. So I just click on it and I will download this file. Alright, so here it is, CSV to JSON.xml. So now that we're in here, I'm just going to scroll right. We need to import that template. So on the left hand side, there's a button right here called Upload Template. So I'll click on it and you click the search button to select the template, and basically if you go to downloads csv.json, I can upload it. Once it says OK, it says template successfully imported. Press OK. So now if we go back to the top right and go to templates, we can see right here that it has been imported. The name is CSV to JSON. We can see when we imported it. Process group ID you don't need to worry about right now. And you can download it or you can even remove it if you wish so. What we want to do right now is use it. So to use a template, it's actually quite simple. If you go to the top menu, you'll see that we had processors and we had other stuff. There's a template one. So you can just click the template and drag it to the middle of your screen, and you choose template CSV to JSON, add. And automatically, as you can see, it created all the boxes that someone else created for you. So here we can see 5 processors with 4 connections in between them. There is a yellow label here. We probably don't need it, so I'm going to remove it for clarity's sake. So we can just look at what's going on, but there's a generate flow file, just the same way we did before. A replace text, so that's the way they can generate data. So let's look at it. Generate flow file that generate 1 bit of data, 1 at a time. Then they replace the text by A, B, C, D. Then there's an extract text processor. This one allows you to parse data. So basically what they do is that in the bottom they will parse a regex expression, and that's basically a way to say within the parentheses that's what I want, and that's the way you should parse it. So like for example, first thing I want, then a comma, then second thing I want, then a comma, etc., etc. So that's A, B, C, D becomes A, B, C, D. Then a replace text, because basically, and we'll go over what that means in the future lessons. We'll use that flow quite a bit. We'll go in details and really understand how that works. But they just generate a CSV, and then they have their attributes. So that's really, really easy to get started. I recommend you take that flow and import it, and we'll see how in the next lesson we can create our own templates and export them.